recreate this superhero effect? Keep watching to find out how. Record yourself walking into frame and jump like Mario. Now take a screenshot of yourself in mid-air. Jump again at a different location. Take another screenshot. Download InShot on the App Store or Google Play Store. Import your videos into InShot. Trim the clips of the empty frame to 0.2 seconds. And delete the excess footage from the jump shots. Now tap Sticker, then press the picture icon to import a photo from your camera roll. Now tap the Cutout button and select the screenshot from your camera roll. Neaten it up and resize your sticker. Now add a keyframe at the start, then minimize and drag your sticker to the top of the screen till you can't see it. And you'll look like you've flown up into the sky. Import another screenshot as a sticker. Add a keyframe at the end of the clip. At the start of the clip, drag your sticker to the top, so it descends like so. Now press Filter, Effects, add a tremble and shake effect, and you're done! Here are the final results.